Hi, and welcome to this course, Manage Functions in Couchbase. My name is Kishan Iyer, and I will be your instructor for this course. A little about myself first. I have a master's degree in computer science from Columbia University and have previously worked in companies such as Deutsche Bank and WebMD in New York. I presently work for Lunicorn, a studio for high-quality video content. The Couchbase eventing service allows us to respond to changes made to data through the medium of eventing functions. Like any application, these functions need to be developed and then maintained until they have served their purpose. This course delves into the various phases and transitions in a function's lifecycle, the use of the debugger during its development, and porting them between environments using the export and import features. We begin by creating a simple eventing function which processes mutations in a source bucket. We then invoke a variety of transitions on the function and look at how this affects the ability of the function to process events. We perform these operations using the Couchbase UI and also cover how these can be done programmatically using the Couchbase CLI and REST API. We move on then to monitoring functions using both the application logs, which are unique to each function, and the system log maintained by the Couchbase eventing service. There are also labs on using the built-in Couchbase debugger to get to the heart of issues in the function code. Finally, we explore the use of the export and import feature for eventing functions, which allow us to port them from one environment to another and also to record their history in a version control system. At the end of this course, you will be well versed in the phases in the life of an eventing function in Couchbase, from their development and deployment to their maintenance and porting to different environments.